Hello everyone, I'm Sue. Recently, the square-shaped tiles and sintered stone have become popular again. MOREROOM appreciates the advantages of square-shaped designs and combined with Italian classical symmetric aesthetics and the natural features. Dedicating itself to the design of Piazza collection in size 1.2 by 1.2 meter. Piazza means square in Italy, the place for free sharing and equal exchange. It's not only the heart of the city, but also intersections of art and cultural spirit. The Piazza collection embodies these characteristics. MOREROOM creates 30 different styles, colors, and textures such as coatings, volcanic, marble, travertine, luxury stone, limestone, and more collections. In practical applications, the 1.2 meter square size demonstrates high flexibility and adaptability, convenient for transportation and installation with fewer visible joints, giving you a grand view. Comparing to the larger slabs, it's much easier for transportation and installation, even to the elevator delivery. Comparing to the smaller size, it offers stronger overall integrity and simplicity. It can be paved independently or mesh sintered stone in same design to achieve a three-dimensional aesthetic for walls and floors. With all four sides and corners perfectly consistent, it forms a flawless symmetrical structure, enriching the spatial expression. Meeting architectural modules, it increases the cutting efficiency, reduces labor time, and extends more cutting methods. The Piazza collection is rich and unique, classical yet versatile. Hope you get a fresh perspective on this collection. MOREROOM, more high-end. See you next time!